You don't know, we're out here, we're not curfew, I want to know. Your officer go suck yourself. And every brother go suck yourself. And I say, we're not go in, we're not wash your hand either, we're not put on no marks either. We're not bathe, we're not brush your teeth. Even if your mouth stink, we're not brush no teeth. I want to know, Corona. Drink, we drink Corona, I want to know. 10-4, abort. We caught the alleged bad man in the video. He escaped on foot last night and he was hiding in some nearby bushes. 10-4, abort. Now, Mr. Badman, what do you have to say for yourself? I am not a real bad man. I uncle act like a bad man. But when the policeman come, I am a fool. Exactly. Now, you know where you're headed now? Yo! Take that up and take that off. I mean, now we're the robbers.